Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is finally time for my skincare fridge. It is time for my skin fridge. I'm like trying to yell at you guys. It's time for my skincare fridge tour now. So in addition to my skin fridge tour, I'm also going to show you my everyday skincare regimen in this fridge here, what I use, why I like to use it, and you guys are probably wondering what else is in that fridge. Sorry, the light was a little blue, so I just had to adjust it, so that clip was kind of blue. Sorry. I think wearing this blue sweater just kind of like messed it up. Anyways, so I originally got this skin fridge or this mini refrigerator a few months ago, and my husband actually has one. No, he has no skincare in there. He uses it like a normal person and puts water in there. Of course, he was asking if I wanted one, and duh, I was like, yeah, one, it's gonna be really cute there. Two, I could put a sticker on there and cover that logo. Three, it's white. If you guys didn't know, I love white. White is just a beautiful color. It's nice and clean looking. All the things in the house is basically white. I really didn't know what the true hype was about having a fridge. I've always placed my eye cream in our kitchen refrigerator because when you wake up in the morning, sometimes you get puffiness or you just had too much sodium the night before drinking. I don't know what it is. Sometimes you just wake up super puffy and you feel like you need more than just the eye cream itself to help with that. Of course, being cold, the cooling property would help decrease the puffiness, saturate the fine lines, and of course helping with the blood circulation under the eyes so it's not so blue. So before we get into a tour of that fridge, let's go ahead and see what I use on a daily basis. Scary face in 3, 2, Alright, as you can see, I'm bare-faced. I just got out of the shower. I don't have anything on my face, but the first thing I like to do in my skincare routine in the morning is to use this fresh nectarine spray. Is it nectarine? Nectar. Vitamin nectar spray. So this is a really good product because you can use it for many reasons. You can use it as a toner. You could use it as a primer, a refreshing spray, and extra hydration. I love to use this in the morning just because it's nice and cold from the fridge, and it just gives my skin a wake-up call. I really like this applicator because it's a pretty nice, powerful mist. As you can see, it doesn't mist lightly, not too strong. It's just enough for that area on the face, and you can get this product nice and evenly on your skin. My lips are dry, so I'm gonna have to use my Laneige Lip Mask, and I use this as a regular lip balm treatment, which is totally fine. All the products feel really nice on my skin when cold. For the daytime, I like to use more of a gel-based eye cream. Nighttime is when I usually use more of a heavier eye cream, but for daytime, this gel base is just perfect. As you can see, I apply on the eye cream under my eyes as you normally do. I kind of bring it down to my eye bone, and I also bring it right under my brow bone. Cause little do we all know, not just under our eyes gets the discoloration, saggy puffiness. I mean, our eyelids will sag too, guys. So as you can see, I like to apply it on the bottom like normal, and I'll bring it up to my eye bones to lift up that skin. Sometimes my skin does feel dry and I don't want to layer too much moisturizer that contains too much oils. Otherwise, I feel like my skin can be sticky, tacky, or just oily throughout the day. In addition to my moisturizer, I add a little bit of this Flash Hydro Boost. This is by REN Skincare. This is just additional hydrating property that contains hyaluronic. This is really going to give you extra hydration in the skin, a plumping effect. I sometimes use it separately before my moisturizer, or you can mix this into your moisturizer. Again, it feels so nice and cold on my skin. It's just so refreshing. This has been one of my favorite moisturizers. This is Naturally Serious Skin Warrior Moisturizer. Now this has a lot of goodies in this little jar. 1, it's a clean brand. 2, it helps with anti-pollution, so all the toxin, the rays of the sun, and just being outdoors. This also contains oatmeal to help calm your skin. So this is a little bit more creamy. Ooh, this is so nice and cold. It looks like whipped cream that you just want to eat. So, oh my gosh, it feels so good. I'm just going to apply this onto my skin like I normally do with the 5-point method and apply it on. This product also helps with like wrinkles and just anti-aging. So it actually has a lot of things in here, which is really great. I believe a good skincare can also play a big role into your face primer. So sunscreen is always the last step of your skincare routine before any makeup. So think of sunscreen will be like a barrier to protect your skincare that you have on your face before any makeup. And that's where the primer comes into play, which is next. However, I feel like if you can have a really good skincare routine going on, that you don't necessarily need to use a primer. I mean, daytime, I just like to use sunscreen to really protect my skin because it's just prevention. A lot of times if I'm using like a smoothing primer or like a brightening primer, I can use that in the day too, but it's not necessary for me all the time. Only if I'm going to like special events where I need to look flawless, like poreless and super glowy, or just long wear makeup, then that's when I would use primer. But I normally don't use it that often. Now that I have my skin prep ready, now I can do my daily makeup. This skin fridge here is purchased on Amazon. I believe it's by Coolio. I have no idea. But of course, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys. So basically, it's all white. It's just the small version. I didn't really want to get the big one. It's really nice because it actually has like little feet on the bottom, so it's not completely flush. If this was placed in your bathroom vanity, there's clearance here. Should water get here, it's not going to damage it because you need to plug this in order for it to operate. Safety first. I actually dislike the logo and I found this sticker also from Amazon, so I just taped that on there. If this had came in all white in this smaller size, I would have definitely bought this in a heartbeat. But either way, it's really cool. So there's no traditional handle or lever. It's just an easy open kind of thing, but it does close pretty tight. If you put too much things on the front pocket here, it won't close. So just make sure that you hear that magnetic flap, so it's nicely sealed. On this side here has some sheet masks. These are just regular thin sheet masks that you can place in here. It's really nice to have them nice and cold. So again, when it's on your face, it's just really hydrating. The pocket isn't too deep. These are just nice eye creams I like to place in the refrigerator. Again, I like them nice and cold. This is Tatcha. This is AmorePacific. They're nice and skinny, so I can place them on the side, and that actually prevents these guys from flapping over, so I can close it properly. Starting in the main fridge here, I'm gonna start on the top shelf. What's really nice is that this is a removable tray. I have too much stuff in here, so it's gonna fall out. Let's go ahead and start off on the top shelf here. It has a removable tray that you can take out. I'm not going to pull it out because things just fell over. In case if you have jars and bottles that are a lot taller, you can take this off. Here is a eye cream by Dior. This is the Prestige. This is a really good rich formulation. This is one of my favorite eye creams by Fresh. This is their anti-aging eye cream that I like to apply on at nighttime. You saw me using this as a lip treatment. I can use this any time of the day. Here is another eye cream by AmorePacific, and this is a really good hydrating one. It's a gel-based. This is a face mask that I actually haven't tried yet. It's just filled up in this fridge for video purposes, to be honest. Another one that I haven't tried yet, but Laneige is another good, gentle skincare company that I like. Ooh, this is the stuff I use like all the time. This is a good makeup prep that I apply on to my friends before I do their wedding makeup or their just glam sesh. Really nice and cold on the skin. This is another AmorePacific face cream in their anti-aging line. This is an amazing product. Last thing I have on the top shelf would be the Tatcha water cream. This is really great for a daily wear. There's not much product in here because I did get this in my 100-point perk, but it's a good formulation. So here is the tray that is removable. So you can use it or not. Too bad you can't place it lower or any higher. If you do use it lower, I would probably have to use it at the same length as all my other things, but it does get a bit wobbly. Yep. All right, I'm gonna move a little bit faster because I don't want my things to melt. This is the Fresh Nectar Spray. You saw me using this as a prep. Biossance Eye Cream, which is a good product to use under makeup. I use this boost to give me extra hydration. Dr. Roebuck's 2-in-1 Mask and Scrub. This is a really good refreshing face scrub. Naturally Serious, one of my current favorite moisturizers. One of my all-time favorite moisturizers by Kenzoki. This is a ginger flower based moisturizer. Excellent product. Another REN skincare product that gives me extra hydrating properties as well as firming. Hendericksen is actually very popular and they're known for their Truth Serum. I haven't used this yet, but it's going to be next in line as soon as I finish my REN skincare. These two are more of a brightening type of serum sticks that you can use for acne and calming the skin. Again, haven't used these yet, but I will be trying these out shortly. Ooh, this is amazing. I've actually went through 2 bottles of these. This is pure argan milk, which is a great hydrating moisturizer. I feel like this is just as good as the Biossance eye cream. Again, gel base with marine. This is hyaluronic with algae, which is really great for the skin and under makeup. I've used this in many of my videos when I travel. This is their Hydrating Mist by AmorePacific. This is a great product because it helps repair the skin. You guys may have seen this in my older videos. This is what I usually grab from my kitchen refrigerator. This is a ginger flower based eye cream. Here is a Caudale brightening serum that helps with anti-aging and good for all skin type. This is a cool applicator too because it has like a little drop. The last thing that I have in here would be this piece of ice. See how cold this gets? This gets super, super cold. So basically the skin fridge was a big hype, but now I understand why I really like it. Very convenient to use. I mean, it's good for your skin. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really cute back there with my whole vanity and everything. So it's not just used for skincare products. Of course, you can put your bottles of water, your Coke, your soda, whatever you like to put in there. You could actually change the temperature in the back to make it hot. You're probably wondering why you would use it hot. You may have a spa, you like to maybe have hot towels in there, so you can actually use it hot or cold. So that is it for my skin fridge tour and my daily skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Don't forget I have a back to school giveaway that's still open. It ends at the end of this month. During my September favorites video, I will be announcing the winner there as well as my IG stories. So you might wanna get to subscribe to my channel. I do have my how to pack video coming up at the end of this week, as well as another top 5 favorites. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.